Imagine encountering a spider like the size of a cat. Creepy, right? But for millions of years, massive arachnids roamed ancient landscapes, dominating ecosystems in ways we can barely comprehend today. These giant spiders were not just a sci-fi fantasy. They were real, and their story offers a fascinating glimpse into prehistoric life. Long before mammals claimed the spotlight, the Carboniferous period, around 303 to 299 million years ago, was home to extraordinary creatures. Dense swamps and lush forests created the perfect environment for giant insects and arachnids to thrive. One of these colossal creatures resembled today's spiders, but on a far more intimidating scale. Meet Megarachne, an ancient arachnid whose name translates to giant spider. Originally thought to be a massive spider, later studies suggested it was a relative of modern scorpions and sea spiders. Regardless, its eight-legged terrifying form measured about a foot long, making it one of the largest known arachnids of its time. During the Carboniferous period, oxygen levels were much higher than they are today, reaching about 35% as opposed to 21% now. This surplus of oxygen permitted organisms such as Megarachne to grow to colossal proportions. The breathing space thick with oxygen was instrumental in producing these ancient behemoths. The landscapes these creatures thrived in were busy with activities. With the presence of giant lycophyte trees and many swamps, even the smallest of creatures had their hiding places. Large dragonflies whose wingspans reached 2 feet in diameter flew over their heads, while giant millipedes called Arthropleura walked on the ground. It was an epoch characterized by evolutionary trials. Megarachne was the hunter in those green places. Its spiny legs were made for gripping, and its jaws were designed for catching prey, probably small amphibians, insects, and maybe rival spiders. Without fully developing big predator vertebrate species to feed on these animals, they became the apex predators. It is surprising that the first fossils of Megarachne were found in Argentina in 1980. Before, this bone was thought to be the largest spider bone. It caused great interest and terror. However, with additional exploration, it turned out that it was not a spider, but some kind of freshwater-adapted eurypterid, a sea scorpion. Even if it was not a spider, Megarachne still appealed to its researchers and the public quite a lot. It demonstrated the way in which different groups of arachnids, like many other groups of organisms, experienced adaptive radiation. This is adaptive evolution, which took place for that length of time. Still, what could have made these enormous spiders go extinct? With the changing climates in the Earth's history and the reduction of the levels of oxygen, their gigantic bodily structures were rather a liability than an asset. The environmental changes favored smaller beings. The emergence of vertebrates created a new threat, new competitors and hunters. The Permian period after the Carboniferous period was characterized by the fading of many gigantic expressed arthropods. Evolution in the infrastructure led to changes in nature, and the Great Permian Extinction, which is the greatest mass killing in the world's history, obliterated nearly 90% of all species, including our giant arachnids. It was the end of glory for them, the Mesozoic era giants. Megarachne and similar larger species of arachnids went extinct. However, their modification still exists in current-day spiders, scorpions, and mites. Present-day spiders are, however, small in size, but the remains of the long ancestral heritage have been passed on to them. Memories of their extinct relatives are still present in some species, as large as the Goliath bird-eater tarantula displays in their dimensions. In the task of reconstructing how prehistoric ecosystems looked, discoveries of tomb filler fossils like Megarachne are important factors. Every such rescue is relevant to the understanding of life in processes of change, development, and interrelations in ancient times. Fossils are portals to another world that is in some ways different from this one, yet still related. Another thought-provoking thing would be the impact these early spiders had on their ecosystem. Their being on top of the food chain meant that they kept the population of the preyed-upon species in check, allowing for the thriving of their ecosystems. That predator and prey are always in equilibrium in every system is a part of life even now. The size and diversity of creatures during the Carboniferous period were a direct result of the unique environmental conditions. The high oxygen levels not only fueled the growth of massive arachnids, but also supported larger plant life, creating dense forests that laid the foundation for the coal deposits we rely on today. Megarachne and its contemporaries are a testament to the wonders of evolutionary biology. They remind us that life on Earth has undergone dramatic transformations over millions of years, producing creatures that seem almost alien compared to today's fauna. It's a humbling reminder of nature's power and creativity. The study of ancient arachnids also provides valuable insights into how environmental factors like oxygen levels and climate can influence the evolution of life. By understanding the past, scientists can better predict how current environmental changes might shape the future of life on our planet. In popular culture, the idea of giant spiders has been a source of both fascination and fear. From literature to movies, these creatures captivate our imaginations. While they may seem terrifying, their real-life counterparts played a vital role in shaping the ecosystems of their time. Megarachne serves as a reminder of a time when arachnids ruled the land and the skies were filled with giant insects. Though long extinct, their legacy lives on in the fossil record, inspiring awe and curiosity in those who study them. The prehistoric world was a place of extremes, with towering plants, giant insects, and massive arachnids like Megarachne. These creatures thrived in environments that no longer exist, offering a glimpse into the dynamic and ever-changing nature of life on Earth. Today, we live in a world shaped by the legacy of these ancient giants. The coal we use, the landscapes we inhabit, and even the air we breathe carry the imprint of life from millions of years ago. It's a powerful connection that ties us to the distant past. Studying creatures like Megarachne not only deepens our understanding of prehistoric life, but also sparks the imagination. It invites us to ponder the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet, and the countless stories still waiting to be uncovered in the fossil record. The legacy of Megarachne and other giant arachnids goes beyond their physical presence. They provide crucial evidence of how ecosystems operated millions of years ago. These creatures were integral to the food chain, contributing to a balanced environment that supported a variety of life forms. Their fossils act as time capsules, helping us reconstruct ancient habitats. Moreover, the existence of such massive creatures forces us to reconsider the limits of evolution. What allowed creatures like Megarachne to thrive? How did their physiology adapt to the unique challenges of their environment? These questions drive scientific exploration, offering insights into the adaptability and resilience of life. Even today, discoveries of ancient creatures inspire technological advancements. Scientists study arachnid silk for its incredible strength and flexibility, applying these findings in industries from medicine to engineering. These ancient giants not only shaped their ecosystems, but also continue to influence our modern world. Ultimately, Megarachne stands as a symbol of life's capacity for growth and innovation. Its story reminds us of the delicate interplay between environmental conditions and evolutionary possibilities. In studying these remarkable creatures, we not only uncover the secrets of the past, but also gain valuable lessons for the future. As we uncover more fossils and learn about ancient ecosystems, we gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and resilience of life. The story of Megarachne and its giant arachnid relatives is just one chapter in the vast history of life on Earth, a history still being written. So, the next time you see a spider in your home, remember its distant relatives that once roamed prehistoric swamps, as big as cats and just as formidable. These ancient giants remind us of the incredible journey of life and the endless mysteries that nature holds. And there you have it. Megarachne, the prehistoric spider as big as a cat, is more than just a fascinating relic of the past. Its legacy offers valuable insights into the power of evolution and the unique ecosystems that once ruled the Earth. If you enjoyed this deep dive into ancient arachnids, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories from our planet's history. Let us know what other prehistoric creatures you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.